Hello and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hi, I'm Mel and welcome to my channel where I share tidbits of how I take care of my relaxed hair. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a few products that were sent to me from a company called Sudtana. So Mew from Sudtana reached out to me a couple weeks ago asking if I'd like to try their hair care kit, which comprises of their hair mask oil and their scalp and roots revival treatment. So thank you to Mew for gifting me these products. I was pretty excited to try them out because I've been incorporating more oils into my routine lately. Earlier on in my hair journey, I used to use oils all the time for pretty much every step in my routine. I kind of dialed back, but now I am trying to incorporate a lot more oils into my routine. So I'm pretty excited to see how these oils are going to work on my hair. Before we jump right into the products, I just want to share a little bit more about the company. So Sudtana is a small sibling-owned company that focuses mainly on skincare, but they do have a few hair care products as well. And I just wanted to share a few quick bites from their website that stood out to me. So they use completely raw ingredients that are free from synthetic ingredients, from chemicals, and from fillers. They are a cruelty-free company that uses natural and organic ingredients that are responsibly and ethically sourced from local Thai farmers who employ eco-friendly and organic farming methods. So let's just take a quick second to talk about my hair and what it's looking like before I use the products on it. As I mentioned before, I have relaxed hair. Currently, I think I'm more transitioning than relaxed because I have so much new growth going on. Aside from that, I feel like my hair went through it this past weekend. We took a little trip. So we rode all day with the top and the doors off of my Jeep. So my hair was at the complete mercy of the wind. We went to the river, laid out in the sun, and then we had a bonfire at night too. So between the wind, the water, the UV rays from the sun, and all the smoke, I feel like my hair looks really dull and dry and just lifeless. So I'm interested to see if the products will make any bit of a difference in my hair. I am going to be using them in conjunction with my regular shampoo, deep conditioner, and leave-in conditioner. But apart from that, the only other products I'm going to be using for my first impressions are the Sudtana oils. Moving on to the products, they came in this cute little drawstring bag that is just really on brand with the organic aesthetic. And in here we have the two products that were sent over. So the first one is their bergamot, coconut, and sesame hair mask oil, and it came in this 4.05 ounce glass amber bottle with a pump dispenser. Now, according to the packaging, this hair mask oil is rich in vitamins, minerals, and essential fatty acids that heavily strengthen and deeply nourish and repair the hair. According to the directions, it's primarily used as a pre-wash treatment. It says to apply a generous amount and gently massage all over the dry scalp and hair. Leave on for at least 15 minutes before rinsing off with shampoo. Recommended use for dry hair is 2 to 3 times per week, and normal and oily hair can use this 1 to 2 times per week. It also says you can use a small amount as a leave-in. So as you can see in the cutaway clip, I'm just going to follow the directions to a T, apply it as directed, and leave on for 15 minutes. I won't be using a plastic cap or heat or anything because I really want to see what these products will do. Moving on to the bergamot, mint, and turmeric scalp and roots revival treatment. This promises to detoxify buildup and impurities, stimulate blood circulation, nurture and strengthen roots, and nourish the scalp. The directions say to divide your hair into sections, apply 1 to 2 drops in each section, and massage. Leave on for at least 15 minutes before rinsing off with shampoo, or you can apply before bedtime as a pre-shampoo treatment. It says for irritated scalp with buildup, recommended use is 2 to 3 times per week and 1 time a week for normal scalp. So I love that this came with a dropper. It made application super easy, and again, I'm just following the directions to apply this to my hair to a T, with no other products or any heat or anything like that. And I'm also going to be following up with a quick scalp massage. I'm going to go ahead and proceed with my regular wash day routine after I apply these oils. I'm just going to be using my regular shampoo and my regular deep conditioner that I always use from TGIN. But in terms of other products and oils, I won't be adding anything else. Alright guys, so I'm back with my final thoughts on my initial impression of these two products from Sudtana. And I'm going to go ahead and start with the hair mask oil. So initially I was confused about the concept of a hair mask oil, but based on the directions, it basically is what we refer to as a pre-poo in the hair community. As a pre-poo, I really did like this oil. It just glided through my hair really smoothly. I love the smell. You can definitely smell the bergamot in this. It's a really pleasant smell. My husband even liked it a lot. So as I mentioned before, this is the only oil that I use on the length of my hair throughout this whole wash day process. So all the shine that you're seeing from my hair right now, let me bring my hair to the front, is essentially just from that oil. I did add a little bit more to my hair after blow drying, right before flat ironing, because it does mention you can use it as a leave-in. So I went ahead and I added a little bit, and as you can see, my hair is really shiny and it feels silky, and the smell of the oil does linger a little bit, but as I said before, it's a really pleasant smell, so I don't mind it at all. Alright, so moving on to their bergamot, mint, and turmeric scalp and roots revival treatment. That is a mouthful. But this little thing here, out of the two, I can honestly say this one is my favorite. Immediately after applying this to my scalp, I felt like a tingly sensation. It was just a refreshing, just a fresh feeling. I don't know how to explain it. It felt really, really good on the scalp, especially after massaging you in. And let me tell you, I washed my hair like hours ago and my scalp is still tingling a little bit. It's a pleasant tingling. It's not like a burning. It's almost like a fresh feeling. So I really, really, really like this. This also has a pretty pleasant smell. I feel like I definitely smell more of the mint in it, of course, because it is an essential oil and they tend to have stronger smells. So it smells pretty good. It's definitely more of a minty smell and a little bit of the turmeric, but not so much the bergamot. Am I going to be using these products again? Definitely. I'm definitely going to be incorporating it into my routine. I've actually used these products twice now because I filmed this video before and I had some technical difficulties, but I really, really do like these products. And I can definitely see myself using them in my routine, especially for the summertime. So that is it for today's video. I do have a discount code for these products in case anybody is interested. I believe it's itsmellabellabusiness. I'll leave it here on the screen somewhere. And definitely go ahead and check them out. If you have any questions or comments, of course, drop them down below. I'd love to read them. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.